This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Ghobrial. Adorable brick ranch with open floor plan and desirable Thalia Manor. Brand new eat-in kitchen with white cabinets, stainless steel appliances and granite tops. Luxury vinyl flooring in kitchen and den and hardwood floors throughout the rest of the house. Primary bedroom with remodeled bath. New windows and roof for energy efficiency. Washer/dryer and additional refrigerator are in the garage. Excellent school district and close to shopping, highway, bases and town center. One dog under 30 pounds considered on a case-by-case basis. Multi-year lease preferred. For more information, review the details below.